Ladies and gentlemen, super exciting news today. My new 4.3 wetsuit has arrived, came very well packaged, and I'm really looking forward to this. So I am surfing the Waco Surf Wave, if you've ever heard of it. Absolutely incredible wave pool here in Waco, Texas. It got a little chilly. It's starting to warm up back now, but this 4.3 front zipper, oh yeah, we're definitely looking forward to this. And I'll talk about all the features, but I do need to get out the door and head to my 2-hour surf session this evening. I got the medium size. We'll talk about everything in this video. And as we get into the video, top link in the description box below will be this exact same wetsuit. They do offer other sizes as well. This again is the 4.3mm in the medium size for myself. Let's pack it up. Let's load the truck up. Let's head to the wave pool and rip this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, we are now in San Clemente, California right here. You're like, Chris, how'd you get from Waco, Texas to San Clemente, California? Well, drove. Plain and simple. Wetsuit, let's talk about it. I am 5'8", 155 athletic build, very muscular up in my upper body, thinner in my legs. This is a size medium, and it's not fully zipped up yet, but I want to show you how easy this is to put on. Number one, flexibility in this 4.3 is outstanding. So I actually purchased, before I got my hands on this, I actually purchased an XL back zippered 4.3. This one takes the cake. I will talk about a little bit of a change I would like to see down in the lower ankle area in just a second, but this is so much better than the XL back zippered wetsuit. I got the XL on a Black Friday deal, and this one trumps it. I will never again purchase a rear zipped wetsuit after having a front zipper. It's just so much easier, especially with my athletic build. If it's a tight wetsuit, I have to have people help me zip it up all the time, or it's a real big pain in the butt. And I'm going to show you also the key. You have a little key pocket right inside of the wetsuit right here as well. We have beautiful knee pads, as we can see right here. Super flexible, like I already mentioned. Was doing absolutely fantastic at the Waco Surf Wave Pool with this wetsuit on. Let's go ahead and take a look at some footage right now. All right, this is me right here in the wetsuit, looking absolutely fantastic. Now the water warmed back up, and guys were wearing spring suits. There's even a guy trunking it over here, but again, I get chilly when I ride, so I'm rocking the 4.3. The water level is looking absolutely frisky. See, this guy's in a spring suit. I'm still in my 4.3, feeling good, getting loose right there. Super flexible. I even got my river surfing shoes on right there, being able to really hit those backside turns as I'm learning to surf at 43 years old. But the wetsuit did absolutely incredible for not only protection. What I really like about full length wetsuits, long sleeve, long legs, and a helmet is these wave pools, it's concrete on the bottom down here. And so if you take a big tumble, man, I have definitely scratched my body. I have hit my head at Revel Surf in Arizona. So regardless, even if it's warm, super warm outside, I like a full protected wetsuit. It just keeps my body from scratching myself, cutting myself, and not only just looking good, feeling good, but if you're confident, then you perform better. I love the front zipper. No fiddle faddle, never pulled on me, never came undone with the little snap enclosure I'm going to show you here in just a second. It's a really nice wetsuit, and definitely glad I got my hands on it. So what I would do is, if it was hot outside or if the sun was beating down, I would stretch with it off like this, not zippered up. So I would do my stretches, I would get into it, so you're not just like, feeling not too tight, I want to say, but you're just not like, it's like not going on your neck or whatever, just a little bit looser, okay? And then right before I got into the water, simply pull it over your head like that, front zip up just like this, pull the zipper all the way to the side here, and then you have your little clip in right there to secure your zipper right there. Absolutely feels beautiful on the neck, not too loose, not being able to dump water down your neck. Front zipper seam is looking absolutely beautiful there, and it fits absolutely like a glove for my build. I really like the wrist area. Even with gloves I was wearing, has a little bit of a base right there, anti-slip. I was able to tuck my gloves under very, very nicely, as well as my booties. Now, the only thing I do wish is that the ankles, we'll show that to you. I just wish the ankles were a little bit tighter down around the ankles. Again, easy to get on and off. I just wish it was just a little bit tighter on my body down on the ankles. It's not bad. I'm just telling you, in the perfect wetsuit scenario, wish that was a slight bit tighter link down below. The length is great. Love the knee pads. I wore this a lot and did very nicely as the Waco surf pool warmed back up. Getting in a 4.3 was definitely better than a 3.2. I shiver a lot, and here in San Clemente, even though they're recommending the water level right now is, or temperature I should say, is like 61 degrees, but I would literally wear this. Everyone else is wearing their 3.2s. I'm wearing a 4.3. I hate shivering. I like to be out for a few hours without shivering, thinking about a hot shower, or at the Waco surf pool. If you're out there and you know you have an extra hour on the clock and you're thinking already about the jacuzzi, that's not fun. I did wear booties. I did wear gloves like I already mentioned. Wrists just went right over the gloves. Ankles went right over the booties. And I personally think it's an absolutely incredible wetsuit. Again, front zipper. I'll never go back to a rear zipper ever again. And now let's go ahead and show you a little bit more of the interior portion of it. Key holder. So let me jump out of it, lay it on the chair. All right. So inside, you actually do have a little drawstring as well if you need to tighten that up. And then we go in the interior portion here, and it just has just your seams, your area here, but then our little key pocket here, which is located right here. Great little feature to be able to put your key in right there, or loop it around and then put it in there, so just in case it doesn't slip out. But that's a nice little pocket right there. Now obviously most of us these days don't have an actual physical key, but for your house, if you don't have a smart lock, if you don't have key fob, this will definitely come in handy. Or if you just need to slip in, it'll get wet, but some money for an acai berry bowl, you guys get the idea. Anyway, cool feature nonetheless. And the ankles do have that little anti-slip area here, as well as the wrists right here as well. Well guys, as we already stated in the video, great wetsuit. Again, top link in the description box below will be this exact same wetsuit where you guys can pick it up yourself. But just like all my videos, please don't go into debt for anything I am making a video about. But if you do have the cash and it does intrigue you, please go ahead and purchase on away. If you wouldn't mind hitting that thumbs up button on the way out, helps the channel. Also subscribe if you want to see more videos like this, as well as follow along on my vlogging channel. That's always linked in the description box below as well, for progressing into a professional surfer at the age of 43. You're gonna have to follow along. Also, my Instagram is below as well. Top link is the wetsuit. You guys have a great day, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care for now. Bye-bye.